So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Fox WooCommerce currency switcher plugin, but previously known by WOOCS. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this plugin in just $3 with lifetime update and license key activate. Here in this video I will tell you how you can purchase it and how you can install it in your site. So watch the video till the end and you will see the process. So here you have to fill your basic details and go for the payment. Now see this, after the payment will be successfully done, you will get the file, just download it. See, the download is done. Now it's time to activate this plugin. Add new plugin, upload plugin. Now here you see it's there. Just click on install now. Activate plugin. Successfully activated. You see this. Now from the plugin settings you can customize this plugin. It's the pro version, so you will get all the pro version features. So pro versions features like geolocation and the other features that are there. You can do all the customization part from your side. You see this, you can add more currencies here, you can do all of your stuffs, update rates, it will automatically take the rates, currency rates, and there is geolocation also. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. So that's it and thank you.